If you want to save money, why don't you land the booster rockets instead of letting them drop in the ocean?
That's a cute idea, but it's not technically possible.
Why not?
It's hard to explain. The math is pretty complicated.
Perhaps I could help you with it.
I bet you could. I'll tell you what. Here is a NASA patch. Why don't you have your mom sew that on your book bag?
People often wonder why I chose to pursue a career in theoretical physics. I wanted to prove this nincompoop wrong.
Shelley, you haven't touched your dinner.
I was just thinking.
About what, baby?
The optimal height to width ratio for a reusable rocket.
It's late. What are you doing up?
I'm working on the hyperbolic calculations for rocket return. Dad, can we afford a computer?
You do my taxes. What do you think?
Mr. Moonpie, how might I help you?
How much money are you planning to leave me when you die? I need to buy a computer so I can solve the Navier-Stokes equation.
Uh-huh. How much is a computer?
Apple has a nice one for $2,000, but the kind I need costs $3 million. I'm interested in taking out a second mortgage. I'm 9 years old, why do you ask? That's called age discrimination, Dorothy, but I'm willing to let it slide. I need funds to buy a computer. Hello, Dorothy?
Hey, how come you weren't in math class?
That guy from NASA treated me like a child, and I need to prove him wrong. Mom.
What?
There's something wrong with Sheldon again. I figured it out! I figured it out!
One night. I want to sleep one night.
And here, near apogee, we gimbal the engine to exert a torque that executes a pitch-over maneuver to flip the rocket by 180 degrees.
Wow, that's very impressive.
I thought you might want to apologize.
Why?
You tried to shut me up with a patch.
I give those to everyone. And you have to understand, Sheldon, that while your math is theoretically correct, we don't have the technical capability to execute it.
So I'm ahead of my time.
It would appear so.
All right, call me when you catch up.